It's Larry FX Academy once again, and today we are going to be talking about the Volatility 25 index. Now, we hit take profit on Volatility 25. That was yesterday. No, that was the day before yesterday. Yeah, yesterday basically, because we're just having today's candlestick. This was the low. So now, what can we clearly see on this particular market? The first thing we can see with our eyes is we have a range between this level and this particular level. And then that tells us that actually we are coming from a downtrend. You understand? So for us to get this simply means we are coming from a downtrend. Now, all we can do basically is to understand this particular wave. Now, if you should check, you would see that and then market and then market and then market and then market hits this area and then retraced again massively to the upside. We also had a trend line break around here. And a wonderful trend line break around here. Market hit take profit around here and still retraced massively to the upside. And then we are having another trend line break here, looking a little bit stiff, but see what it is. So what can we clearly now expect from what market has been doing? We can clearly understand the market is going to still hit here and maybe still do its retracement to the upside and continuation until it takes out this particular low. Now, that being the case, we would simply go to the 4 hours time frame. So on the 4 hours time frame, we can now shrink our chart to understand what is going on perfectly well. Now, originally, we've been taking our shorts, which is our sells, from this particular area. So let's take it back to our original blue color and make it a little bit thick. I think this is fine. So we've been taking our shots from this particular area based on the break of structure. So when we get a break of structure, we take our sells. We get the break of structure, we take our sells off reversals. So that is basically what we've been doing. So we still have a good level to look out for entries. So we still have a good levels to look at for entries basically. So we had a break of trend line, a break of this particular point, which was an important level. And then markets, you can see it actually from this level using our Fibonacci, it got to the take profit and then reversed from. We got to the take profit and then. So what can we clearly see once more? We can see that we have a break of structure at this point again, and then market got into reversing into this level, and same thing that happened here is what I might expect to happen here, but then we keep an open mind on this market and we get to see and allow it to do its thing. So we had a break of structure at this point on the smaller time frame, which can now push us to the 1 hour time frame. Very good. So on this 1 hour time frame, we have a break of structure at this point, and market pushed to the upside, taking out this particular level, So what would we be looking at for at the moment? Taking out this particular level. So what will we be looking out for at the moment? We are simply looking out for the market to take reversals from here. So, but then it totally depends on what the market actually wants to do. So we took our sales from this particular area to this downside. So we are basically just sitting at our take profit level. So we took our sales from this particular zone to this point based off our Fibonacci retracement. So So market hit take profit, but now we are actually hoping and looking out for what I will call a reversal. So we are looking out for a reversal. Now, some persons might want to take the market sells from this point straight to this area we are looking at for our take profit. But for me, I'm not looking at that particular reaction. I simply would want market to do something like this. It has repeated in the previous time where it respected this level, it dropped to the downside, made a rally to the upside. But then market will always do what it wishes to do. So based on that, we can't actually see any possible entry at this point. We have to wait for the market to cool off and then give us the reaction we want to take. So we have to wait for market to cool off and give us the reaction we want to take. Yeah, we just hit take profits, which was we risking. We took our first entry because I always tell you guys I'm very straightforward with these things. We hit our first stop loss on the first entry we took, targeting this level. But then the second trade got us into profit. So we almost got tapped out, but we actually are still in the trade and market hit take profit. So the moment market got to this point, we were okay for the trade and we didn't look out for more profits. So that is it. You have to stick to your strategy, allow the market to do its thing, and then you make the money, you make the profit. So this is actually our bias on volatility 25. We are currently waiting for market to give us a reversal to see if we'll be hopping up on the reversal, or we will be waiting for market to give us a clear opportunity for a sell. So the market will actually tell us what it's going to do and we follow what the market tells us. So that is our bias for the volatility 25 market, and then we are basically going to wait and pick the market reaction. Do have a wonderful day, guys. Peace. One love. Larry FX Academy.